in.
I just.
All right, stand right there. Now here, sit on Daddy's legs. All right, here, now hold this.
Get up every morning before the sun comes up. Toss a lunchbox into a pickup truck. A long, hard day sure ain't much fun, but you gotta get it started if you wanna get it done. You set your mind and roll up your sleeves. You're working on a working man's PhD.
See what you're doing.
With your heart in your hands and the sweat on your brow, build a